We're always evolving and expanding here at Lathams, and one thing that we need is a little bit more office space. So we've got another building that we purchased a year or two ago. The idea is to repurpose that building that we've got at the back into an R&D centre, R&D facility. The old office space and canteen facilities that are in there, they're all going to be upgraded, modernised. So we should end up with a nice new kitchen, canteen, meeting room, storage area, and a nice new office. And then we should have some nice exciting things coming in the near future for our R&D. Over the last couple of years, I have put together a couple of walls to try and divide offices up. Over in the sales office, I put one in the ground floor in this building. The way in which we've done it is always just bolting together our side light products, whether that's the glazed or the solid infill panels. So I've kind of had a bit of an idea in my head on how we could piece multiple parts together. It's been quite a challenge, but this is literally just trying to push the limitations of what we can do with the design, the tooling that we've got. And yeah, the idea is just to integrate the doors and the glass and everything all into one giant structure.